Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. We are going to see various job opportunities all over India for freshers and experienced and diploma candidates. For Chennai and Pune location, Hinduja Tech is hiring a design and development engineer. Experience 3 to 15 years. Skills design and release experience in body closures engineering. Notice period immediate to 90 days. Mail ID resan.rema@hinduja.tech.com. Hero Motorcorp is hiring a passionate individual to head accessories and merchandise business unit. Interested candidates can share their resume through the mail ID upsana.ratra@heteromotorcorp.com. For Hyderabad location, Genpact is hiring a record to report. Experience 2 to 4 years. Qualification any degree except technical. Mail ID kushbu.jeevdani@genpact.com. Ralco Tires hiring a sales officer for auto division at multiple locations. Experience minimum 1 year. Qualification graduation and above. Age maximum 35 years. Salary up to 25 lakhs per annum. Share your resume at the mail ID himanshu.sharma@ralson.com. Website www.ralson.com. For Abu Dhabi location, Tau Nord is hiring a sales representative. Qualification bachelor's degree in business administration or marketing. Experience 2 years. Mail ID careers@fahsstuv.com. For Noida location, Kunshan Qtech Microelectronics India Private Limited hires a COB ME engineer and testing ME engineer. Candidates can mail their CVs to richard.vashishta@qtechglobal.com. Qtech Microelectronics India Private Limited also hires a candidate for admin department. Experience fresher, any graduate. Mail ID richard.vashishta@qtechglobal.com. For Bangalore location, Horizon Telecom hires a ISB junior engineer. Qualification diploma in ECE. Experience minimum 6 months. Only local candidates can apply. Interested candidates can share their resume through the mail ID info@horizontelecom.in. For Krishnagiri location have the following openings. SCN e-com buyer 3 position, PM engineer 3 position, Yamaha PNP engineer 3 position. Share your CV at WhatsApp number 8939895118. In Chennai location, Foxconn is conducting a walk-in on 16th August 2023 Wednesday for the department injection molding, tooling, CNC production, quality SCM. Position junior engineer. Qualification BE diploma in mechanical EEE ECE. Experience 2 to 7 years. Job location Sri Perumbudur, Chennai. For Ahmedabad location, Swiss Pharma hires the following position. International Regulatory Affairs. Experience 4 to 6 years. Quality control in microbiology. Experience 2 to 3 years. Quality assurance. Experience freshers to 3 years. Graphic designer freshers to 2 years. Qualification B Farm M Farm. Mail ID maulik.t@swisspharma.in. For Chennai location, Samsung is conducting a walk-in on 17th August. Time 9 a.m. Position graduate engineer trainee. Number of position 3. Qualification BE in EEE. Experience fresher. For more job alerts, subscribe my channel. Thank you.